Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to update your professional image or simply want to personalize your account, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials handy so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a circular image that represents your current profile picture. Go ahead and click on this profile icon, which will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This action will take you directly to your profile page where you can manage all your personal account settings and information. This is the central hub for customizing how you appear to others in Mailchimp. Once you're on the profile page, look for the current profile picture or photo area. This is usually prominently displayed near the top of the page. You'll notice either your existing profile picture or a placeholder image if you haven't set one yet. Next, click on Upload Photo or look for the camera or upload icon positioned next to your current picture. This button is your gateway to changing your profile image. Clicking it will open a file browser window on your computer, allowing you to select a new image. When choosing your image, Mailchimp recommends using a square image with dimensions of 300 by 300 pixels. The file should be in either PNG or JPG format and should be under 10 megabytes in size. These specifications ensure your image displays clearly and loads quickly across the platform. Browse through your computer files and select the image you want to use as your new profile picture. After selecting your image, click Open to confirm your choice and begin the upload process. Mailchimp will then start processing your image, so you'll need to wait a moment while the platform handles the file and prepares it for display. Once the upload is complete, Mailchimp will automatically crop the image to fit the profile picture dimensions. You may be prompted to adjust the crop yourself if you want to focus on a specific part of the image. Take this opportunity to ensure your face or logo is centered and looks exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save or confirm the changes to finalize your new profile picture. And there you have it, your Mailchimp profile picture is now updated and will appear across your account and in communications with your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.